control panels that have Modbus protocol can communicate remotely. In this video, we explain how to connect and activate it. We will start by connecting the RS485 converter to one of the ports of the control panel. In the example, we will use the COM-PC or COM1. We must turn off the control panel and then we can access to the inner. In the upper left part, we have the 485 connection ports. We will continue activating Modbus in the control panel. In the example, we will use a Lion, but the menu is the same in all addressable control panels. Enter the menu and insert the password 27. Now we access system configuration. It will ask us for the password 9000. Go to Communications, Modbus, select Active and press Enter. To program the central number, we will go to System Configuration. Communications. And finally, program central number. We will place the number 1. Each control panel connected to the same Modbus network must have a different slave number. The communication parameters of the port are fixed and we can see them below. The fourth step is to indicate to the control panel which one is the communication port. We enter Menu, System Configuration, Communications. We enter the Communications Type section and in the Modbus option we select the port. In our example, it is the COM-PC and corresponds to COM1. We will find the reset of the control panel in the main menu, in point 8 General Reset. Press Enter to confirm. In the case that we have a conventional CLVR control panel with Modbus, the speed of the port is the one shown, and the rest of the parameters do not vary with respect to addressable control panels. When we access the inside of the control panel, we find the connection port behind the front panel at the top. From Cofem, we thank you for joining us in this video.